There's a silent leak happening every time you pull up to the pump. Drivers lose billions every year. Not from high prices, but from hidden mechanics most people never question. Gas stations don't break laws to take your money. The system itself does the work for them. Today, we're exposing the mechanical secrets that drain your tank. And secret number 5, it can save you $1,000 a year without buying a single thing. Let's fix your fuel economy. Secret number 11, the top-tier gas secret. Not all gasoline is equal. The difference isn't octane, it's detergents. Many discount stations meet only the minimum federal cleaning requirements. That means fewer additives to prevent carbon buildup inside your engine. Over time, low detergent fuel allows deposits to form on intake valves and injectors, especially in direct injection engines. Carbon buildup restricts airflow, disrupts spray patterns, and slowly reduces efficiency. You may save a few cents per gallon today, but you pay later in rough, idle, lost MPG and expensive cleanings. Top-tier certified fuel contains higher detergent levels designed to keep internal components cleaner long-term. Secret number 10, the illusion. Premium fuel sounds powerful, stronger, smarter, but unless your engine specifically requires higher octane, you are paying extra for protection your engine doesn't even need. Octane measures resistance to knock, not fuel quality, not cleaning power, not energy content. In engines designed for regular gasoline, premium does not increase horsepower or improve fuel economy. In fact, combustion timing is calibrated for a specific burn rate. Change that, and you gain nothing measurable. Millions of drivers choose premium thinking they're protecting their engine. In reality, they're protecting gas station profit margins. If your owner's manual says regular, anything higher is just a more expensive receipt. Secret number 9. The tire pressure efficiency edge. Underinflated. Tires are silent fuel killers. When pressure drops, the tire's contact patch widens and rolling resistance increases. That extra drag forces your engine to work harder every single mile. Even a few PSI below optimal pressure can reduce fuel economy by several percent. Temperature changes alone can lower pressure without you noticing. Many drivers check tires only when they look flat, which is already too late. Properly inflated tires roll smoother, generate less heat, and maintain better structural shape. Check pressures monthly when tires are cold. A small adjustment at the valve stem can translate into noticeable savings at the pump. Secret number 8, the short trip fuel drain. Short trips quietly destroy fuel economy. When you start a cold engine, the system automatically enriches the fuel mixture to stabilize combustion. Until the engine reaches full operating temperature, it burns more gasoline than normal. On quick 1 to 3 mile drives, your engine may never fully warm up, meaning it stays in that less efficient mode the entire time. The catalytic converter also needs heat to function properly, and until it's hot, efficiency drops further. Several short trips per day can use dramatically more fuel than one longer drive covering the same distance. Fewer cold starts equal immediate MPG improvement. If this is opening your eyes, hit the like button and subscribe so YouTube knows this is the kind of real money-saving content drivers actually need. Secret number 7. The hidden weight tax. Every extra pound your car carries demands more fuel to move it. Most drivers unknowingly haul around unnecessary weight every single day. Tools, sports gear, emergency kits, old boxes, random items that never leave the trunk. Even 100 additional pounds can reduce fuel economy by 1 to 2%. Roof racks and cargo carriers make it worse by adding aerodynamic drag on top of weight. At highway speeds, that drag compounds quickly, forcing the engine to burn more fuel just to maintain speed. Cleaning out your trunk and removing unused roof accessories costs nothing, yet immediately improves efficiency. Secret number 6. The oil viscosity mistake. Engine oil does more than lubricate. It directly affects how efficiently your engine moves. If you use oil thicker than recommended, internal components face higher resistance. The crankshaft, camshafts, and bearings must push through heavier fluid, increasing friction and fuel consumption. During cold starts, thick oil flows slowly, keeping friction elevated longer and reducing efficiency. On the other hand, oil that is too thin can compromise protection under high heat and load. Manufacturers specify viscosity for a reason. It balances protection with fuel economy. Using the correct grade listed in your manual ensures smoother operation and prevents unnecessary fuel loss. Secret number 5, the tanker truck danger window. If you ever see a fuel delivery truck refilling underground tanks, leave immediately. When fresh fuel is pumped into storage tanks, it violently stirs up sediment that has settled at the bottom. Rust particles, dirt, water traces, ethanol residue. All of it gets churned into suspension. For several hours after delivery, fuel clarity drops while microscopic debris circulates through the tank. If you fill up during that window, that contaminated mix can enter your vehicle. Modern fuel filters catch a lot, but restricted flow and reduced combustion efficiency can still follow. You pay full price, but the fuel quality isn't at its best. Secret number 4, the gas cap pressure leak. Your gas cap does more than close the tank. It seals the entire fuel system under controlled pressure. If that seal weakens, vapors escape, and the evaporative system compensates by adjusting fuel trims. Even a small leak can cause the engine to run slightly richer than necessary. You may not see a warning light immediately, but efficiency drops quietly over time. A cracked gasket, worn threads, or a cap that no longer clicks tightly can cost you fuel every week. Replacing a weak cap is inexpensive and takes seconds. A proper seal keeps pressure stable and fuel consumption controlled. Secret number 3, the AC versus Windows efficiency battle. At low speeds, running the air conditioner increases engine load because the compressor draws power directly from the crankshaft. In city driving, that extra load can reduce fuel economy noticeably. But once you reach highway speeds, the equation changes. Open windows create aerodynamic drag, disrupting airflow and forcing the engine to work harder to maintain speed. At higher speeds, that drag can cost more fuel than the AC system itself. The smart balance is simple. Use windows at low speeds, use AC on the highway. Matching airflow strategy to speed keeps resistance low and mileage higher. Still here? That means you're serious about keeping your car running like new. And that's exactly the kind of driver we make these videos for. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Every click helps us share more fuel-saving secrets with you. Secret number 2, the sensor drift fuel loss. Modern engines adjust fuel delivery using real-time data, but when sensors drift, your mileage quietly collapses. A lazy oxygen sensor or contaminated mass airflow sensor can push your system rich without triggering an immediate warning light. Here's how you prove it. Grab a basic OBD2 scanner and check your long-term fuel trims. If you see plus 10% or higher, your computer is adding 10% more fuel just to compensate. That's a silent 10% tax on every gallon you buy. Most drivers never check. Smart ones fix the cause and instantly recover lost efficiency. Secret number 1, the idle burn problem. Idling feels harmless, but it burns fuel without moving you an inch. A typical gasoline engine consumes roughly 1/3 to half a gallon per hour while idling, depending on size and load. 10 minutes a day may not seem like much, but over a year that wasted fuel adds up fast. Modern engines warm up more efficiently when driven gently, not when left sitting. Extended idling also keeps the engine in a lower efficiency state, especially in colder conditions. If you're stopped for more than 30 seconds, shutting the engine off saves more fuel than letting it run. Now you understand something most drivers never will. Fuel prices aren't the only reason your bill keeps rising. Small habits, tiny mechanical oversights, subtle driving choices, they compound every single day. And gas stations don't have to trick you when the system already does it for them. The difference between an average driver and a smart one is awareness. Apply even half of what you learned today and your fuel costs will start dropping immediately. We expose what drains your wallet before it drains your tank. Now tell me, Which secret shocked you the most?